Welcome back to eGreen Channel. Start your day the healthy and delicious way with a vibrant Greek yogurt bowl. Bursting with fresh fruits, crunchy nuts, and a drizzle of honey, this breakfast bowl is a nutritional powerhouse and a treat for your taste buds. Greek yogurt is known for its rich, creamy texture and high protein content, making it an excellent choice for a satisfying breakfast. The fresh fruits add a burst of natural sweetness and a variety of vitamins and antioxidants, while the nuts provide a satisfying crunch and a dose of healthy fats. It's incredibly easy to assemble and offers a perfect balance of flavors and textures to kickstart your day. Simply start with a base of Greek yogurt, then layer on your favorite fruits. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are popular choices, but you can also add slices of banana, kiwi, or even mango for a tropical twist. Next, sprinkle on a handful of nuts or seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are all great options that add both flavor and nutrition. This recipe is not only delicious but also incredibly versatile. You can mix and match ingredients based on what you have on hand or what you're in the mood for. For an extra touch of sweetness, drizzle a bit of honey or maple syrup over the top. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even add a sprinkle of cinnamon or a dash of vanilla extract to enhance the flavors. You can customize it with your favorite fruits, whether they're in season or frozen. Frozen fruits can be a great option, especially in the winter months when fresh produce might be harder to find. They thaw quickly in the yogurt and add a refreshing, cool element to the bowl. Nuts and toppings such as granola or coconut flakes to add even more texture and flavor. Granola adds a delightful crunch and can be made at home or bought from the store. Coconut flakes add a tropical flair and pair wonderfully with the creamy yogurt and sweet fruits, making it a delightful way to enjoy a healthy breakfast every day. This bowl is not only nutritious but also visually appealing, making it a great option for serving guests or sharing on social media. The vibrant colors of the fruits and the variety of textures make it a feast for the eyes as well as the stomach. Whether you're a breakfast enthusiast or looking for a quick and nutritious meal option, this Greek yogurt bowl fits the bill. It's perfect for busy mornings when you need something quick yet satisfying. You can even prepare the ingredients the night before to save time in the morning. This Greek yogurt bowl is the perfect choice. It's also a great option for a post-workout snack, providing the protein and nutrients your body needs to recover and refuel. Plus, it's easy to pack in a container and take with you on the go, making it a convenient option for busy lifestyles. Let's dive into the goodness of each ingredient and discover why this simple bowl is a breakfast superstar. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics which are beneficial for gut health. The fruits provide essential vitamins and minerals, while the nuts offer protein and healthy fats. Together, these ingredients create a balanced meal that will keep you energized and satisfied throughout the morning. So grab your favorite ingredients and start creating your own Greek yogurt bowl masterpiece today. Greek yogurt is a creamy, tangy delight that is packed with protein, calcium, and probiotics. This makes it a fantastic addition to your diet. Protein helps you feel full and satisfied, making it an excellent choice for breakfast. It provides sustained energy to keep you going throughout the morning. Calcium is crucial for strong bones and teeth, and Greek yogurt is a delicious way to up your intake. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut contributes to better digestion and overall well-being. Nuts are nutritional powerhouses packed with healthy fats, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. They are nature's way of providing us with a compact source of energy and essential nutrients. Each type of nut brings its own unique set of benefits to the table, making them a versatile addition to any diet. Adding a sprinkle of your favorite nuts to your Greek yogurt bowl not only enhances the flavor and texture, but also boosts its nutritional value. The creamy, tangy yogurt pairs perfectly with the crunchy, rich nuts, creating a delightful contrast that makes every bite more enjoyable. Plus, the combination of protein from the yogurt and healthy fats from the nuts helps keep you full and satisfied for longer. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells against damage. They also provide a good amount of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Additionally, almonds are rich in magnesium, which is crucial for muscle and nerve function as well as bone health. Including almonds in your diet can contribute to overall well-being and vitality. Walnuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation and support cognitive function. Walnuts also contain antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, promoting a healthier aging process. By incorporating walnuts into your meals, you can take a proactive step towards maintaining a healthy heart and mind. Pecans offer a good dose of magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in muscle function, nerve function, and blood sugar control. They are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your body from harmful free radicals. Pecans have a slightly sweet, buttery flavor that complements both sweet and savory dishes. Adding pecans to your yogurt bowl not only enhances its taste but also provides a nutritional boost that supports overall health. Pistachios are another fantastic option, offering a unique combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. They are particularly high in vitamin B6, which is important for brain development and function. Pistachios also contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and maintain fluid balance in the body. Their vibrant green color and distinct flavor make them a visually appealing and tasty addition to any dish. By mixing a variety of nuts into your Greek yogurt bowl, you can enjoy a diverse range of flavors and textures while reaping the numerous health benefits each type of nut has to offer. This simple addition can transform your yogurt into a nutrient-dense powerhouse, providing you with sustained energy and essential nutrients to fuel your day. So, next time you reach for a snack, consider adding a handful of nuts to your Greek yogurt for a delicious and wholesome treat. Berries are like nature's candy, sweet, juicy, and bursting with flavor. But they're not just delicious, they're also incredibly good for you. Berries are low in calories and packed with antioxidants, which help protect your body from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Strawberries are a good source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that supports immune function. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, which have been linked to improved brain function and heart health. Raspberries are a good source of fiber, which is important for digestive health. Section 5. Honey Delight, Nature's Liquid Gold. Drizzling a touch of honey over your Greek yogurt bowl adds a touch of natural sweetness and a whole lot of goodness. Honey is a natural sweetener that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It contains antioxidants and has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Honey can soothe a sore throat and may even help improve sleep quality. Choose raw honey for the most health benefits as it retains all of its natural enzymes and nutrients. Section 6. Flavor Fusion, a symphony of taste and texture. The beauty of a Greek yogurt bowl lies in its simplicity and the harmonious blend of flavors and textures. The creamy, tangy Greek yogurt provides a blank canvas for the sweetness of the berries, the crunch of the nuts, and the delicate sweetness of honey. Each bite is an explosion of flavors and textures. The creamy yogurt, the juicy berries, the crunchy nuts, and the smooth honey all come together in perfect harmony. Section 7. A nutritional powerhouse, fueling your day. This Greek yogurt bowl is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a nutritional powerhouse that fuels your body and mind. Imagine starting your day with a bowl that is as delicious as it is nutritious. The creamy texture of the Greek yogurt combined with the crunch of fresh fruits and nuts creates a symphony of flavors and textures that is hard to resist. It is packed with protein, calcium, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing you with the energy and nutrients you need to kickstart your day. The protein in Greek yogurt helps in muscle repair and growth, making it an excellent choice for those who are active or looking to build muscle. Calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth, and the fiber from fruits and nuts aids in digestion and keeps your gut healthy. The protein and fiber in this bowl keep you feeling full and satisfied, preventing those mid-morning cravings. This means you are less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks, helping you maintain a balanced diet. The healthy fats from nuts provide sustained energy, ensuring you stay alert and focused throughout the morning. The combination of nutrients supports overall health and well-being, boosting your energy levels and enhancing your mood. The vitamins and minerals found in the fruits contribute to a strong immune system, while antioxidants help fight off free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Starting your day with a Greek yogurt bowl sets a positive tone for the rest of the day, making you feel more energetic, happier, and ready to take on any challenges that come your way. Section 8. Quick and easy, perfect for busy mornings. In our fast-paced lives, finding time for a nutritious breakfast can be a challenge. But with this quick and easy Greek yogurt bowl recipe, you can enjoy a healthy and delicious breakfast even on the busiest of mornings. Simply layer yogurt, fruits, nuts, and honey in a bowl. no cooking or elaborate preparations needed. You can even prepare the ingredients the night before and assemble the bowl in the morning for a grab-and-go breakfast option. Section 9. Conclusion: a delicious and healthy start. The Greek yogurt bowl with fresh fruits, nuts, and honey is a perfect example of how delicious and healthy can go hand in hand. It's a breakfast that nourishes your body, delights your taste buds, and fits seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. So why wait? Start your day the healthy and delicious way with this simple yet satisfying breakfast bowl, and experience the joy of a wholesome and flavorful start to your day. Subscribe to the Green Channel, the brainchild of Saeed Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.